Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So if you didn't already know, we do a bunch of work for Outdoors RV, and on this particular customer, so we do offer warranty work for them. So again, keep in mind that we're a third party. We didn't sell it, we didn't build it, but we're here to help maintain it, accessorize it, and keep you traveling safe on the road. This unit, I don't recall all the details on it, but we did just install a brand new generator, Onan generator. I believe we upgraded the batteries to a bunch of AGMs, and then we put some inverters. I think they already had solar added to it, but if you're interested in solar or inverters or better batteries, or better accessories, whether it be suspension or whatnot, give us a call. Our telephone number here is 209-263-7040. We're based out of Lodi, California. We're just a small mom and pop shop. We're not a franchise or any of that kind of stuff, so it's old school. Hey, how you doing? We like to love on everybody and treat you as family. So come on in. If you have a problem, we're here to take care of it. Thanks so much for watching.